So in my last couple of streams, I got follow botted. In the first one, it was about 100 and some channels that followed me. In the next one, it was close to about 900. It was a lot. And when I did it, I tweeted out about both times. So just here's my two tweets. And one thing I didn't do is I didn't panic because I have SeryBot installed. So as you can see from the picture, SeryBot just banned all the people. Straight out got banned. I don't know if there's any stragglers, but majority of people got banned. And also the second time it happened, I ended up being able to close my bot so my chat didn't get spammed, and I was able to quickly turn off my alerts. So that's something I would do if you do have something that can turn off anything that happens when you follow. You have an action for that. Probably safe thing. But in order to deal with these, we're going to need two other tools. We're going to need SeryBot and we're going to use Commanderroot. So first one is SeryBot. What is SeryBot? Now, what SeryBot does, it bans people that follow you in them follow bots, and it also gets rid of a lot of them, by viewers, cheap viewers sort of bots. It gets rid of a good portion of them. So how do you install it? Well, here's the website, and this explains how to do it all. Really, it's really easy. First, you have to go into your channel and you have to mod SeryBot. So if we go into mine, I've already done it. I'm sorry, I've got a really big chart because I have it on my desk on my OBS. And if I do mod, we do Sery _ bot. It's going to say I'm already a mod, but that's fine. Then, you'll click on this and you'll just authorize it. And then when you go back to SeryBot, what we're going to just do a little cheeky duplicate tab here. Actually, this just tells you what we want. Join this channel, type mod, then type join in this channel. When you type join, well, you can't see because of my camera, which I'll move it up like this. But let's say it's feeding back, but it will say things. If you look at other people, if you can find one, see there you go. It'll say welcome to your bot, and that is it. There are some other commands that go with this. So if we just close it down for now, if we go to commands, you can turn on the leave if you want to remove it. You can turn on online notifications, so like other bots do, it'll post in your chat, oh, you're live. You do other things, post when ad timers end, but your protection ones are further down. You can turn hate raids on, so if you get hate raids, and then it'll post a message. You'll just do it. It'll enable your seal mode, and then you can do that. Follow ban, which is what I've done. I've got follow ban on. And you can do an offline lock, which will turn. It'll shut you when you raid out. It'll shut your stream down, that people can't chat in your stream and stuff like that. I don't turn that on because I do a lot of testing stuff in my channel, so I like my channel on. Plus, my stream bot's closed. No one can really do no. But there is that. Now, the next tool I used, right? SeryBot's really good. Do install SeryBot, and there is things here. Do tip if helpful and stuff like that. Like a lot of commands there, and it does explain so much. Next one I used was Commanderroot. Now, this one isn't that important because you don't need to remove your followers. I expect Twitch to remove my followers when they get banned because the bots get deleted anyway, so the followers will naturally go down. But if you want to remove them, you can. So, Commanderroot, you do follower remover from this sidebar here. And when you can put your dates here. Obviously, I've already authorized mine. But as you can see here, this is going to tell you who's followed you and all that. So, but what you can do with this when you get followed attacked is you can search by the last, I don't know, 100. So you just do follow between, let's say we did the follow attack now. What the time is 10:30. So I'd say follow between 27th, I don't know, 15 minutes ago, and pretty much now, right? So I want everybody who's followed me between them 2 times. And if I apply filters, obviously no one's been found because no one's been found. But if you've just got over a follow attack, this will show you all the people there, and you can then just do remove all followers. And that is how you can remove all your followers and protect yourself from a bot attack. It is really easy. Let SeryBot ban them, use Commanderroot to move them, and you just go on streaming and producing content the way you do. If you found this tip helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button, and until next time, I'll see you later.